everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you guys can see, I don't have my eyebrows done because we are going to be trying the soap brows. I think that's what they're called. And yeah, before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, go ahead and turn on notifications so you guys can be updated every single time I upload. I usually upload Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, so you guys can always come back and check out a new video then. And also follow me on social media. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. Really quick, you guys, my niece wants to make a little tiny appearance. She is in lockdown. We can't see each other because we're in stay-in-shelter here, or shelter in place in the Bay, so she just wants to say hi real quick. So yeah.
Hi everyone. So make sure you wash your hands and stay healthy. Bye.
Bye, Chula.
Bye.
I'll talk to you guys later.
Okay,
Bye. Alright, so we are going to start. The first thing we're going to be using is my soap bar, and I have the Dove soap in pink. So I know you're supposed to get like a translucent one or a transparent one, but I don't have that. So we're going to work with what we have. I have a nice spoolie here to go ahead and work the soap into my eyebrows. I also have my brow pencil for afterwards. Once I'm done with the soap, I'm going to go in with this. So first of all, we're going to take my little water spray and we're going to go ahead and spray down the bar. From what I saw on videos, it says your bar has to be wet. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I have holes, so wish me luck. So I'm just going to wet it really nicely. Alright, you guys, so I have my bar here, and all I'm going to do is kind of pick up some of the product this way with my spoolie. From what I read, you have to have the bar sort of wet, like really wet actually. Okay, so once I covered my spoolie in soap, I'm just gonna go in and brush upwards. Let's hope for the best. So as you can see, because I feel like that was a lot of water maybe. I do think I put a lot of water, and maybe that wasn't the way to go. But from the videos that I saw, you were supposed to kind of put a lot of water. I don't know. Also, I can totally tell why you would want a translucent or clear soap, because as you can see, there's a lot of white going in my eyebrow. You see how white that looks? It is making it fluffy, but I don't like. And then like comb it down, I guess. How am I going to get rid of the white in my eyebrows is the question. They're so white. It's actually quite cool, I will say that. I feel like if I had a clear soap, it would look nice actually. So I'm gonna let it, I feel like I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit, or I'm gonna clean my spoolie and try to go over it with a clean one so it can, like, the white stuff can flake off. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, you guys, so I kind of have them done. I'm not like completely hating them. I like how flat they look. Besides the point that I look like Jack Frost because they're white. Kind of does work, I guess. I'm gonna go in with my pencil and try to see if I can get a better shape out of them, but so far this is what I have. You guys, and that is it for today's video. I know it was kind of a super fail, I feel like, but we have to try things. I do like that my brows look pretty fluffy and sort of natural, but I do think 110% that you need a clear soap bar for this to work, because mine was pink, as you guys saw, and it definitely gave off kind of a white residue, and it just made them look not the best. I don't know, maybe I'll try it again some other day when I do have clear soap, but for now, this is what we got. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and it helped you guys out. If you guys have any tips or tricks about soap eyebrows, go ahead and leave it down below. I would love to know how you guys achieve them. And yeah, this was my little try and fail, but it's all good. We gotta learn from our mistakes. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.